Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers and the existing ones for being here, and I'm super excited today to bring you a 10-minute core workout. It's a power-packed core workout. They are all standing exercises and they're compound exercises, so we are going to use multiple parts of our body to do this exercise. The circuits are made with 2 warm-up, 2 cool-down exercises and 10 main exercises, 30 seconds each and 10 seconds break. So what are we waiting for? Let's hit it. First up, let's begin with our warm-up with walking high knees. So we're going to do 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Keep breathing in and out, high knees. Give it your all. It's only a 10-minute workout. Give it your all. All right, powerful moves. Keep breathing in and out. Come on, we got a few more seconds here. And relax. Shake it off. Next stop is wide toe touches. Hands out, legs out, toes pointing outward. And we're just going to touch opposite hand, opposite toe. Hit it. And back up. This is just a warm-up. 2 exercises just to warm your body up. Make sure you walk a little bit. Get your heart rate up a little bit. Amazing, keep going. Main workout will be 10 exercises again, 30 seconds each. I've slightly changed the format. Let me know in the comments how you like it. One last one. Bring it back in and shake it up. Next up is waist pinchers. One hand up, one hand on your hip and pinch it. Keep breathing in and out. Side pinches. That's how you're going to do it. Your right leg should not completely touch, just your toe touching on the floor. So you're building that tension and you're keeping that tension. Keep breathing in and out. Amazing. You're doing amazing. And last one. Relax, shake it off. Right hand on your hip. Left hand up, and we're going to do again the same thing on the other side and hit it. Should feel a good stretch in your sides. Again, your left leg should not completely touch the floor down. Amazing. Keep pushing. 30 seconds each side. Keep going. Last one and shake it off. Next up, keep your legs a little wider than hip width apart. We're going to do standing knee tucks. All right, hands hold it and just let's begin with the right leg. Standing knee tucks. Halfway. Excellent. And relax. Shake it off. Next side. So let's turn on the other side. Lift your toe up. Right. Getting ready. And let's hit it. Excellent. Keep going. As I said, these are compound exercises. Mainly focused on your core. Keep your core muscles engaged and tight. All standing exercises. Come on. Powerful workout. 10 minutes. No more. Use it as a warm-up. If you're an intermediate person, if you're a beginner, make it as a routine. And relax. Shake it off. Next up is crisscross knee touches. Alright? Hands behind your head. Okay, what you're going to do is touch, same leg, cross it and do it. Okay, hit it. Side bend, opposite. Side bend, opposite. Opposite. So side bends and cross. side bend and cross. Your heart rate should be going up now. And cross. Last one. Side bend and cross. Shake it off. Let's repeat on the other side. And no hands droopy, nice and firm. Alright. And let's do it to side bend and cross. Side bend and cross. Excellent. Side bend and cross. Side bend and cross. Remember, you're lifting the same knee. It could get confusing, which is very normal. And cross and side bend and cross and side bend and cross and relax. Shake your tension off. Next up is high knee jacks. All right. All you're going to do is lift your legs and down. All right. As simple. Hit it. Keep your core engaged. Lift your knees up. Powerful moves. We don't want to see sloppy hands. All right. We want to see powerful moves. No sloppy hands. Come on. You're there. You got this. It's only a 10-minute workout. Let's get the most out of it. Last one. And shake it off. Next up, crossy lunges. Legs just hip width apart. Go down, drop, back up. Hit it. All right. Twist it. Nice twist on your hip. Come on. Come on, we're more than halfway there. 2 more exercises after this and then we go into a cool off. And that's it. That's all it takes. Don't need to spend hours in the gym. Alright. One more. Relax. Take it off. Next up is a crab walk. Get in this position. And all you're going to do is crab walk there and crab walk there. Okay? Let's go. Don't come up. And the other side. Keep those tension in those glutes. Keep your core engaged. Keep the core muscles nice and tight and engaged. Breathe in and out. Come on. One more exercise before we go on a cool off. And relax. Shake it off. I'm sure you can feel it. Alright. Next up is standing bicycle. Alright. Hands behind your head. And all you got to do is opposite leg, opposite knee. Hit it. This is the last one. Then 2 cool off exercises. And you're done. You should be proud of yourself to come here. Take the time. Self-love. Work out for yourself. Amazing. Come on. The heart rate has gone up, I'm sure, but you're almost there. Don't just give up yet. Let's keep pushing. Last one. And relax. Shake it off. Next up, 2 cool off exercises. Hold your hands. Stand tall. And give a side bend. Come back up. Another side. Come back up. Come back up. Keep going. Just 1 more exercise after this and you are done with your power packed workout. Last. Shake your shoulders. Alright, open your arms. Last one. Press your arms aside. Hold it. Hold it here. Very nice. This is your last 30 seconds. Relax. Open up your arm. Cross it over. Hold it. Because you have worked your arms as well, so I'm sure you should be feeling the burn in it. Relax. Interlock your hands and stretch it out. And relax. And that is your workout done. I hope you feel the burn there, you burn here. It was a full body workout focused on the core but compound exercises in 10 minutes. You should be proud of yourself for doing this workout. If you are a beginner, do it as a part of your routine. And if you are an intermediate person who goes to the gym or does more than this, then you can use this as just your warm-up. Leave your comments down below to let me know what would you like to see more in these workouts. And thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. As I said, I post 2 new workouts every week, so don't miss out on any. See you next time.